Welcome. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to delete a website from your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC following the latest update. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page where you want to remove the website. Next, look to the top right corner of the Facebook app and click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu or take you to your profile options. From here, select the specific Facebook page you manage and want to edit. Once you're on your page, find and click on the About section. This tab usually appears on the left sidebar of your page or under the page's profile header. Inside the About section, scroll down until you find Contact and Basic Info. Click on this to view the contact details linked to your page. Now locate the website field. Next to it, you will see a small edit icon, often represented by a pencil. Click on this icon to enter editing mode. Simply delete the website URL from this field, leaving it empty or removing the unwanted website address. Lastly, remember to click Save to confirm and update your page with the changes. By following these steps, you will have successfully removed the website from your Facebook page on your PC using the updated Facebook app interface. This method can help keep your page contact details current and relevant. If you need to add or modify other contact info, you can do so in the same Contact and Basic Info section. Thanks for watching.